Welcome back, Prep 1. How are you? We are still in Unit 2, lesson 6. So please quickly open your book with me, page 20. Yes, that's it. Unit 2, lesson 6. Writing. Read exercise 1. Read about Amira. Write the questions from A to C in the correct places. Question A. What do you usually do after school? Question B. How old are you and where are you from? Question C. What subjects do you like? احنا هنحط الكويستشنز دي in order أو هنعملها rearrangement ترتيب في التكست ده. She is Amira. Yes, she tells us about a day in her life. A day in my life. Amira is from Egypt. الquestion. I am 12 years old and I am from Hurghada. So this is question number or question letter B. How old are you and where are you from? I am 12 years old and I am from Hurghada. This year I am in preparatory 1 or prep 1 at school. My favorite subjects are science, computer studies and math. We have science and math in the first lesson every day, but we only have computer studies on Wednesday. I like music too, but I am not very good at it. So this is question C. Let's look at question C. What subjects do you like? What subjects do you like? Number 3. I sometimes read or watch TV. I always do my homework before I have before I have dinner. After dinner, I usually have a shower and read my book in bed before she goes to bed to sleep. What time do you wake up and go to bed? So this is question what? This is question A. Yes, what do you usually do after school? What do you usually do after school? Okay. Exercise 2. Read the text again. Are these sentences true or false? Let's read. Number 1. Amira's family is from Hurghada. True. Number 2. At Amira's school they have math and science every day. True. Number 3. Amira often has computer studies. False. Number 4. Amira is good at music. False. Number 5. Amira never does her homework after dinner. True. This is exercise 2. Exercise 3. Now write about a day in your life. Use adverbs of frequency. And I will give you this exercise as a homework. So write HW beside it. And try to write this. Write about your day, a day in your life, and use the adverbs of frequency, always, whenever, or sometimes, or often. Okay. Number 1. Answer the questions from A to C from exercise 1. هتعمل لنفسك questions زي دي زي ال ABC questions دي وتجاوب عليها and answer it. Number 2 هنعمل ايه؟ answer Amira's question at the end of the text. هتجاوب على الكويستشن اللي قالته أميرة at the end of the text في البلو في اليلو بوكس ده اللي هو what time do you wake up and go to bed. هنعمل له answer. Number 3. think of one question to ask a student from another country at the end. فكر في question تاني زي اللي أميرة عملته to ask a student from another country عشان تسأله لستودنت من country تانية at the end of the passage. تكتبه في نهاية المسج بتاعتك أو الباسج بتاعتك. Now let's read this green box. Writing tip. We said tip means advice. ايه هي الادفايس دي؟ use punctuation correctly. How to use punctuation correctly. Number 1. use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Exactly, you know that we should put a full stop at the end of the sentence في نهاية السنتنس. Like I am in grade 7 at school. Number 2. use a comma to separate items in a list. To separate means يفصل. Yes, items أو things الأشياء in a list. Like my favorite subjects are science, comma, computer studies and math. Number 3, use a question mark at the end of the question. Exactly, if I have a question, لو عندي question, you should put a question mark. لازم احط question mark. What subjects do you do? اخرها question mark. Use an apostrophe. استخدم الابوستروف. To show position. To show position. البوزيشن الملكية. Like Amira's family is from Hurghada. Amira's family. الابوستروف S. Here to show position تدل للملكية. B to show a contraction تناقض. Yeah, I'm not very good at it. Here we use the apostrophe. I'm not very good at it. I hope that it was a nice lesson. It is very easy. Try to do this project or this homework and send me your writing soon, and I will see it with the homework. And now let's go to the workbook. Yes, this page 84. Yes, that's it. Open your workbook and try to answer it before you open the answers of your workbook in this video. And after that you can check this video to see if your answers of the workbook are correct or not. And here also you have homework or a project. Write Nagwa's reply to Nisma. Say how you are. Write what your mother and father usually do at the weekend. Say what you do with your brother or sisters. End with a question for Nisma. When he questioned Nisma, we will do something like we will write an email like this. Email from Nagwa, from Nisma to Nagwa. We will write another one. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.